Hey guys, welcome back to another Brawl Stars video. Today we are going to do a rarity war, and it's like a concept made by me. Rarity war in the sense we make duo showdown teams, and in those teams the people who are in a team they get to choose which rarity they want to be. It's like we get to know which rarity is the best. Okay, so let's start. We are playing in Scotch Stone duo showdown match. Okay, let's see who will win. Ryan and Vishnu are in a team, me and Kaushik. Me and Kaushik got epics, Ryan and Vishnu rares, and Kushi and Kichu got what? Trophy road. I need to carry Kaushik. He's so bad. What? Ryan's killing you, Kaushik. What are you doing? Oof. Oof. Wait. Kaushik, I'll protect you. Vishnu is surviving. Kaushik, come. We'll go there. No, come here. Follow me. We'll go to middle. Yeah, Kichu is coming here. Whoa! No. Yes, I got Ryan. I had Ryan. Oh, what? That didn't hit.
No, that didn't hit.
How?
Because I'm an idiot.
Okay, let's see if we can kill Ryan. You know what? I'm not even gonna try.
Yes, will be.
Kaushik, come here.
Come on.
Oh shit. Kichu and Kushi have 7 cubes.
Come on, Kaushik.
You know what? We got cornered. I think we lost this match.
Kaushik. Where are you going? Why did Kaushik come?
Kaushik will kill Ryan. Come.
No. Kaushik, don't come. That's practically better. Kaushik, don't. No.
I'll come.
Don't.
I'll come.
I'll set up like
Oh no, I love
Vishnu is the worst star power of Poco. That went duo showdown.
I just thought something.
Yes. Nice, Kichu. Thank you.
Kichu, bad boy. Why are you doing it? Bad boy. Number one bad boy. What? Can please survive for not like your life right now. I'm not like your life right now. Well, we go down. And I am going to be this brother.
Ah, shit. Kichu and Kushi won first round. Okay, this time me and Kaushik will be trophy road.
Okay, me and I will be epic. We have to be epic.
Let's see if we can win trophy road. Let's beat this guy. Yeah. Let's see if we can kill them. Just we should just kill them. That's it. Okay, ready up. Kichu and Kushi are rares. And if you don't know what rare is, green color background. Okay, ready up. Vishnu and Ryan, Kushi and Kichu.
We are selecting story powers and gadgets.
Next round, me and Kaushik are rares. That will be very tough to choose between. Kichu, ready up. Kichu is in brawlers. Why is he in brawlers? Why is he choosing brawlers?
No.
Why does it take so long for him to choose brawlers?
Okay, now please.
Ready up? Yes. Okay. Hopefully we win this time. I love this brawler, by the way.
Okay, I already know what it is. I mean, you love all your brothers, but
Kichu knows what brawler I am now. I'm Dynamite.
you love the players, don't you?
Yes.
You better not blame it. Better not. Wait, are you Barney?
No, Kichu's Barley. Kaushik, nice. Get that power cube. Get that Kichu's power cube. I'm trying to Dyna jump right now. which is very hard to do.
Wait, what? You mean Dinah triple jump is hard?
Dinah double jump is only hard. Yo, hi Ryan. Hi Ryan. Hi.
Hey, no, it's a
Where
big
is
bad
Ryan?
habit for you.
Where is
You'll
Ryan?
die immediately.
I want to kill his class. Oh,
Come.
He's there in that bush.
Try.
Oh, he's there.
Try.
See,
Come
he's
here.
there.
Try. Can't even
Oh shit. No, Vishnu, no. Vishnu, no, don't kill him. Please don't. Why? No. I stunned Vishnu, not Ryan.
okay.
Why am I so slow? Why is Edgar so slow? No! Kill him. Oh.
Kaushik, be far away from them.
Run.
Kaushik, come here.
Wait, who? Okay.
Ryan.
Epic is the better rarity so far.
I invested this one.
Okay. Now we are rares.
I got a Poco. Epic. Okay.
Okay, let's see if this will work. Kaushik, you be with me only, okay? You don't go away. Now Kushi and Kichu are epics. Why is Kushi spectating still?
No.
Okay, she's lagging. She's lagging hard.
Now.
You won. We
Oh, me and Yeshua.
Zero. Let's see if we can keep them on zero. Yes. Vishnu and Ryan, let's team. We'll kill their team first. And then we'll do a truce, we'll go far away and then start our fight.
Don't believe Yeshua. We'll backstab us.
I can backstab with this brawler, you think? Okay, ready up.
Oh. Don't. Wait, what? Which one?
Rares.
Rash.
Ryan, you be with me.
You can backstab with that.
Except one.
You be with
One.
me only.
Hey, don't check. No checking. Ready up. Kushi, ready up. How long does it take for you to ready up?
Ready?
No. How long does it take? Yes. Okay.
Ready up.
Let's see if we can win this time, Kaushik. Kaushik, be with me only. Let's open that box.
Ryan, be with me only. Yeah.
Vishnu is copying.
You will backstab us.
Backstab. Kichu's Edgar. Kushi's Nani.
I might as well kill you.
Who is
Yeah, you totally can't backstab with the Poco.
Told ya.
El Poco. Wait, are we actually doing this right now? I thought we weren't doing this. Fine, we're doing this.
running away? Mom.
Oh, I literally placed
Be safe,
my
yes.
super in the wrongest place ever.
Oh yeah. Oh cool, yes, yes.
I should
Yes, Kichu, thank you. Yes. Easy win. Poco for the win. Poco loco. Okay, now we'll be whatever we want to be. No rarity one now. But duo showdown.
You know what I am. The volume.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can win this time. Vishnu, change the map to any map. To any other map.
2000 days.
Rockwall Brawl.
Hey, no, Sam.
Royal Runway. Same map. Keep another map. Island Invasion. Oh, yes. I love this map.
Ready up?
Ready up. Kushi, Kichu, and Vishnu.
Yeah, ready up all.
Vishnu, Kichu, ready up. Anyone, any brawler you can be. This is the last round.
So let's do the best duo in the
I think you're being double healers.
Hey, why did you do this?
Hey, you're simply saying, I know.
I will get this. I can get 2 of them at once.
saw you, Vishnu.
Oh, sorry, no. The other day was.
I love this brawler which I am.
No, I hate your star power. I hate your star power. I hate your star power, Kichu.
Oh,
I hate that place.
oh, Vishnu's Edgar. We know now.
Yeah.
Not here. Not here. Hello.
Me and Kaushik have 6 cubes. We didn't even see you guys yet. Okay, let's see if we can win. Kaushik.
How does Kaushik
Ah!
Ryan is.
Kaushik, go far away, go far away, go far away. Oh, mad.
I am running away.
You are running away. Wow. Okay, we'll play one more match after this.
Yes, I am okay with that. Ryan, my gadget is over. Kushi, why did you run away from me? Okay.
Vishnu, jump on Kushi. Jump on Kushi, kill her. Easy kill. Jump on Kushi.
I don't have gadget.
Ah, easy win.
Easy win.
Okay, now this time also you can be anyone.
I'll be this
I'll be this brawler. Yeah. Don't say okay, Kaushik, who you are. Kushi, Vishnu, and Kichu are not ready. No, Kushi and Vishnu are not ready now. You are ready, it seems.
Vishnu, be
Okay,
ready.
last match. Let's see if we can win this time. Yes, we spawned in middle. We spawned in middle.
Satya, what the?
Me.
I just renamed. Okay, Mortis and Agrima. That's their team. Mortis and Agrima. That's their team.
Okay, I know you are in the bushes somewhere.
Oh no, we're in the bushes. Oh no, are we gonna kill you? Oh no.
No, I'm gonna kill you. I'm waiting for my call snake to recharge.
Oof.
Oof.
No, I have the perfect plan.
I have the perfect plan to kill you. Guys.
So why does he keep placing his
Kaushik, you open boxes. Okay.
my pushies?
Ryan and our team. Ryan's team and our team. I know that they have like 10 cubes or something. I'm like around the rosing the whole map and I didn't even see you yet. Ah! No, you guys saw me, I guess. Someone's Gale. Vishnu's Gale.
I don't have Kichu.
Oh, Kichu was Gale. I saw a jump pad, that's why. No, I'm going around the whole map. Ah! Oh no!
I saw a jump pad. Then we were like, oh, we're going to get this around.
Okay, guys, we'll be ending this video here. Hopefully you enjoyed.